So these are some peppers. Yes, of course, the pepper seeds are right there. Usually when I plant them or when I sow them, I just sow it with the skin and everything because they will sprout through the pepper skin. And you just cover it. You want to cover it lightly. Cover it lightly. Yeah. And they were already, the soil is already wet. So yeah, it's ready there. And some worms were already working through it. So yeah, it is ready to be planted. Yep, so we'll give it a few days and watch it sprout, watch it germinate. Here we have some sorrel. This is the sorrel pods. um, well, the petals are off, but this is what's left. I didn't get to dry them ahead of time, so they got soggy, and the seeds are in there. So we're gonna just we're gonna cover it and watch it sprout, watch it germinate. Yep. And yes, now is the time to plant. Now is the time to plant your garden. Now is the time to sow them. You can do it indoors in pots. And for those of you who are down south or in warmer weather, you can definitely do it now, because this is March. You got to get ahead of your planting season. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.